Did you know that one of the most common fruits in our daily lives could be the key to a healthier, more energetic life? Yes, we're talking about it, the mighty banana. Stay with me and discover the top 7 benefits this fruit brings to your health. Benefit number 1. Instant energy. Need quick energy? Bananas are rich in carbohydrates, providing instant fuel for your physical activities. Whether for a workout or a lazy afternoon, the banana is the fuel you need. Benefit number 2. Rich in potassium. This fruit is a champion in potassium, an essential mineral for the proper functioning of muscles and the heart. Say goodbye to cramps and take care of your heart with a banana a day. Benefit number 3. Aids digestion. Bananas contain soluble fiber, which helps digestion and keeps your intestines working properly. A healthy gut is synonymous with well-being. Benefit number 4. Improves mood. Did you know that bananas contain tryptophan, a substance that helps produce serotonin, the famous happiness hormone? A banana for breakfast might be the secret to a happier day. Benefit number 5. Controls blood pressure. Being rich in potassium and low in sodium, bananas help control blood pressure, preventing heart diseases. Eat a banana and take one step closer to a healthy heart. Benefit number 6. Strengthens the immune system. With vitamin C and B6, bananas strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight infections. Want extra protection? Include bananas in your daily diet. Benefit number 7. Contributes to bone health. The presence of manganese and magnesium makes bananas an ally in maintaining bone health. Keep your bones strong and ready for any challenge. Now that you know the top 7 benefits of bananas, how about including this superfruit in your routine? Banana. Simple, delicious, and packed with health benefits.